Sunshine, I'm Faith and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I've got a very special one. It is my very first makeup tutorial. Well, not actually my very first because I filmed like 3 of them, but none of them are ever gonna see the light of day because there were some technical difficulties. But it's fine. In today's video, I am going to be playing with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I am so absolutely thrilled that I got my hands on this. I literally rushed to Morphe and made it there exactly when they opened because I wanted to play with this baby so bad. Just looking at it makes me feel so inspired. I never play with any color. I never do anything like this. So I am super excited to step out of my comfort zone with you guys and show you how I created this look. If you like it, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay. So, I don't know if this is gonna be a bad idea or not. It could be the worst idea I've ever had, or it could be totally adorable. But I wanna do like a bright pink, very smoky eye. So we are going to start off with this shade right here, Lolly Mama, that very, very bright pink. And I'm going to be very careful and blend that very, very gently into the crease, starting off with like just a little bit and building it up, because if you go straight in and make a really harsh line with that, you're never gonna be able to blend it out. So I am going to lift my eye up a little bit and start applying that with literally the lightest hand. I mean, you can see I'm holding the brush at like the very, very end, because that means I'm going to be putting the least amount of pressure possible on that eye and applying a very light wash of color. I'm obsessed already. Okay, I'm going to take a different brush. They're all just big, fluffy Morphe blending brushes. I'm just gonna take a different one, a clean one, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that line out a little bit better. Since I'm not using another transition shade, it's just pink. I want to make sure that I'm using that clean brush in between steps to ensure that it doesn't look absolutely crazy. Okay, and then I'm going in with a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to take the color right next to that Lolly Mama. This one is Tipsy Girl. I think it's so cute that she names her shades after like her dogs and her family. I love it. Okay, so same thing. Lift the eye up. We're applying that one a little bit lower into the crease and the outer corner and focusing it a bit more on that crease and outer corner, because you don't want that darker pink to go up too high. Perfect. And then I'm going back into the same brush that I used first. This is, I didn't say it last time, sorry. This is the JH32. Like I said, they're just all big fluffy brushes from Morphe. I'm just going down in size as I'm adding darker color. And dip back into Lolly Mama just a tad and apply that so lightly to the edges. Hold on. Now I'm going to take the JH33 and I'm going to use this color here, Dance Party. It's very vibrant and pink, and it has just like the teensy tiniest bit of sparkle in person. It's probably not even going to pick up on camera, and honestly, it might not even really show up on the eye, the shimmer, because it could just be so that it helps that color blend out. And I'm going to start packing that onto the lid. And just blend it across the lid. Okay, so I'm also going to take that same brush and a little bit of that color and just make sure it's blended into the crease. And then I am going to continue blending until this is like the perfect shape, the perfect transition. I'm just going to go back in between those 3 colors and really turn this into a very like blown out, smoked out, hot pink. I'm gonna do the top of the other eye on camera, and then, no, let me restart that. I'm going to do the top of this eye on camera, and then I'm gonna come back and do the bottoms, the inner corner, and everything, and we are going to discuss my thoughts on this palette. So on my bottom waterline, I'm going to apply just any random black eyeliner. This one happens to be a Clinique one, but it's literally just because it's what I have laying around. It doesn't matter which one. I'm just gonna apply that because I want the bottom to be very smoky. I'm gonna add a little bit of the black shadow, not just down there, but on the top too, and give myself like a little smoky winged out liner moment on the top. Ah! Dropping things. Okay. I am so obsessed with this. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm gonna take a teeny tiny blending brush, dip into Lolly Mama, and just finish smoking that out. So I have the top of my eyes lined with a liquid liner. I love it. Okay. We're gonna try this again because I completely cut it off frame in the last one. But I am just kind of stamping and smudging a little mini wing onto the outer corner of that eye with the black shadow. I think I kind of love that. Okay, so after I have smoked out the liner and just kind of finished everything off and kind of like winged it out and elongated it, I went ahead and I just baked a little bit more underneath my eyes to kind of clean up the outer corner. And then I am going to pop on some mascara. Literally any mascara will do. Hi. I just came back on before putting my lashes on because I realized I totally forgot to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. So for my inner corner, I swatched the shade Drama Queen, this one out here, earlier. It is like a very light and very sparkly pink, and the reflex in it are stunning. So I'm going to take a teeny tiny brush. This is the JH42, and I am literally going to pack that shimmer on there and apply it to my inner corner. I don't even know if you can see that showing up on camera, but in person, it is so pretty. And I wanted to stick with the pink. This is a very light pink. So I wanted to stick with that instead of doing like a really icy white. I mean, you totally could if you wanted to, but. And then I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of the white shade Certified and use that to highlight my brow bone. There we go, that's perfect, because I really didn't want that to be like crazy intense. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I really enjoyed filming it for you. If you did enjoy it, please make sure you like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I am attempting to put out new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I'm struggling a little bit with some technical difficulties because I am still new to this. With all of that being said, thank you again so much for stopping by and watching my video. Remember to radiate positivity today and always, and I will see you in the next one.